The reason I can sit here and I look like this with no makeup on is because of my skincare. Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to do a look of the day, get ready with me, chit chat with you guys. As of tomorrow, December 20th till December 26th, you guys can use, I'm going to put the promo code on the screen, Christmas XAMAS sale. If you guys put that at the checkout, you're going to be able to save $5. That's a pretty good discount, right? So if you guys want to purchase the products, the skincare, the hair growth serum, the makeup, whatever, you can just put that in there. So then that you guys have that promo code for the week from December 20th as of tomorrow till the 26th. If you guys don't know, and this is the first time you guys are watching, I have the most amazing skincare products. The reason I can sit here and I look like this with no makeup on is because of my skincare products. We have a 24 karat gold collagen day serum, night serum, face cream, retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil. This is the most hydrating face cream you'll ever need. This is literally like so amazing that if you just put a little bit, it hydrates your skin like for the whole day. And then I also have an amazing 24 karat gold collagen soap, which is for face and body. And basically my skincare system is amazing. With the promo code, you can get $5 off. I suggest you get the whole skincare package, because what that's going to do is you're going to wash your face and body with the soap. You're going to go in with your day serum, the night serum, and then your face cream you can use in the morning and the evening. And then the result is going to be what you see before your face. I mean, before your eyes. If you guys are new, I have a bunch of YouTube channels. I have a paranormal channel, Ellie Arket Paranormal. I have this channel, which is Ellie Arket Makeup. And then my third channel is Ellie Arket Tarot. And then I have a new channel that I'm kind of dedicating it to Meghan Markle and Harry, but not really. It's kind of like a talk show. I've named it Ellie Arket Savage Talk Show, because on that channel, for my mental health, I just want to talk mad shit about people that get on my nerves. And I wanted to create kind of like an atmosphere or a space for all of us just to kind of like unload, unravel, just talk shit, and just to tell everybody to shut the fuck up. That's the fourth channel. Morning, I mean, I'm going to make a video about this whole thing on the fourth channel, but I thought to talk about it here too, because my brain is literally, I just can't believe this. I've talked about narcissism on this channel. When you fall victim to being with a narcissist, what happens is that they come in, they love bomb you, they give you everything, emotionally, psychologically, sometimes financially, and they make you trust them. And in your mind, you think that this person has the best for you. They love you, they want to protect you, they speak highly of you, they compliment you, and so they gain your trust, right? Since I was in a narcissism, what the fuck do I know about narcissism? Well, I was in a narcissistic relationship for 6 fucking years, and I didn't know shit. I had no fucking idea what was happening to me, why this was happening to me. And this person grinded me down to the bone, you guys. The fact that I bounced back and I survived is because I'm a witch, is because I'm a spiritualist, is because I'm an occultist, and I have spirits and my ancestors and the entities and angels and demons protecting me and helping me. But even with all of that, this person was able to fool me. Now that's pretty powerful. You guys have to understand, you know, Meghan Markle, I've talked about this so many times, is your classic sociopathic narcissist. There's variations in narcissism, and it is a clinical mental disorder, okay? Now, this lady is fucking crazy as fuck. Like, I've never seen anything like this in my life. I think the closest person I can kind of reference her in being like is Hitler. Part of my brain goes to conspiracy stuff, like, are the elite using Prince Harry and Meghan Markle to bring down the monarchy, to bring down this institution of the royal family? Because if they want to bring in the new world order, now this topic is a little heavy. If you guys are not into it and you don't understand it, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm multifaceted, and I can talk about so many different subjects. That's why I have 4 YouTube channels now. Might be a situation where the elite might be using these two people to be talking and doing all of this to bring down the monarchy, because my brain, I cannot like fathom and comprehend and process how these two fucking idiots are allowed to do what they're doing. So this is the skin after applying my 24 karat gold collagen day serum, my face cream, and I've already washed my face with my soap. So this is my skin. So if you guys want to really see up and close, this is the freaking skin. If you want the same skin, do yourself a favor and buy products that actually work. You can go back to my older videos on my main channel. I look like shit. My skin was blotchy. It was like not as clear. It was not as glowy. It looked older. My skin actually looked older. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Like I look younger now than I did like 2 years ago. I think I'm gonna do pink today. Yeah, I'm wearing my black sweatshirt with hair everywhere, but I don't give a fuck. You know, I can't be perfect all the time. So just everybody shut the fuck up. I'm gonna do some pink today. So the way narcissism sets in is that when you meet someone that's narcissistic and they have a mental disorder and they have this personality disorder, now they're not gonna come out and tell you that I'm a narcissist and I have a mental disorder. They mask it, okay? They mask their flaws and they are chameleons, so they show you what you want to see. Let's say if you were somebody like me, you know, I was devastated over my brother's suicide. I was in a really bad place. I was low vibrational. I was sad. I was super depressed. And then 2 months later, I met this person. Now I told this person, hey, I just lost my brother, and please, like, don't take advantage of me. Don't play games with me. I'm not well. Psychologically, my mental health is not well. I'm very low. I'm barely keeping it together for my family. I'm always the rock for my family. Like my brothers, my mom and dad always like relied on me. Like I'm the baby of the family. I'm the only girl in the family. For some reason, it's all on me. Like I glue everyone together and I help everyone. And it's my energy, you know, they need my energy to, I don't know, it's like I bring them like hope or something. I don't know how to explain what I do for them, but you know, it helps them a lot. I told this piece of shit person when I met him, and when I met him, I used to like just burst into tears all the time and cry. Now, in the beginning, this person treated me like royalty. Like he treated me like I was a queen. He was giving me like gifts on a daily. He was like whining and dining me, taking me out, just like super attentive, super loving. I was having car problems with my Jeep. Like he gave me a car to drive. I mean, he was bitching about it, but nonetheless, he still kind of like, you know, he took care of me. He paid the bills. He wasn't paying rent or any of that, but he was kind of like paying for the food, or just he was just taking care of me. Like if I had to go to work, he would drive me. He was just like very attentive. He wanted to be with me all the time. And I had a lot of friends. I had a lot of guy friends. I had a lot of girlfriends. And little by little, it started happening where I stopped hanging out with my friends. And I didn't really pick up on it right away because it was very slow, where the transition started happening, where I went from hanging out with my friends, doing our you know, usual things like going to the beach, going for a hike, going out to drink, or I'm not really a drinker, but like just going out to restaurants and hanging out. I just like little by little kind of started abandoning my friends. And then he was totally just wanted to spend time with me, and I was so like, oh my god, he loves me so much, he just wants to be with me. Anyways, these are all the tactics that narcissists use. What they do is that they want to pull you into their world, because when they pull you into their world, what happens is that they start to have control over you. When you spend all your time and energy with this person that is a narcissist, they have an agenda. There's an agenda attached to this, okay? They're not just doing this because they want to be with you. There's an agenda attached to their behavior. So that's what it's like to be with a narcissist. Little by little, you start losing your friends. You're not hanging out with your family. You don't see your parents. You don't see your friends. Slowly, you start, you know, you're just like, it's all about them. You have to consider their feelings about everything. So it's fucking weird. It's like, it's really, really fucking weird. The whole thing is really, really weird. Like, I can't believe like I actually fell into all of this. Obviously, I see all the traits, like what happened to me in regards to, you know, getting isolated. Basically, a narcissist, someone that has this personality disorder, because it actually stems from insecurity. They're insecure about something in their lives, okay? And so in order for them to have control over you, they isolate you, where you're not spending as much time with your friends and family. When you get isolated and you're only listening to their judgment or advice or criticism or whatever it is that's coming across, since that's all you're hearing, you start to believe what they're saying about you, because you are only exposed to their truth. And because they gain your trust and they take care of you, or they love you, or they're there for you, or they're affectionate towards you, whatever the case is, you start to believe them. And when you start to believe them, that's when shit hits the fan, because you're like, oh, okay, so, you know, maybe my family is a piece of shit. Maybe my friends are not really my friends. Like, this person started convincing me that my landlord actually hated my guts. Now, my landlord, for the first 4 years of living here, never once raised my rent, not even a cent. And I lived here paying only $12.50, which was so cheap for my apartment and where I live, because like I'm right in like the greatest like neighborhood ever, which I can't really say exactly where I live, but I'm Hollywood area, okay? I'm close to all the, you know, I'm close to all the studios, and it's a great location. It's very posh. A lot of celebrities live there. I run into celebrities all the time. Narcissists will lie about how much money they make, what they do for a living, where they live, and you really don't know. You really don't know any truth about them, because it's all hidden. While they're with you, they juggle other people. So that's what a narcissist does, because they want to make sure that they have a backup plan. Because if things fall apart with you, okay, when things fall apart with you, they have to have a bunch of other people, you know, kind of like as a backup plan. And the other thing that they do is they like to rotate people. There are so many clinical psychological terms that are used for narcissists, like what they do is like they discard you, they get rid of you, and then they hoover you, like as they come back and try to hoover you like a vacuum cleaner, pull you back into their bullshit again. They shelf you, meaning like they give you this feeling like, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm not sure about my life, I'm just confused. So they shelf you, they put you on the shelf, because they don't want anybody else to date you, they don't want anyone else to touch you, they don't want anyone else to have access to you. So they make you feel like, oh, I'm just so confused about my life, and I'm just like not ready to make a commitment, but I really love you and I want to be with you and you're the love of my life. I just don't know what to do. I'm going to put everything on the screen as I'm doing all of this, okay, so you guys know what I'm using. And my highlighter and my blush is literally life, as you guys can see. It's just like fucking crazy. And the lighting, I don't know how the lighting is. I'm doing this later in the day. It's like noon, so it might be a little, maybe it's going to be a little off, because the lighting in my room really sucks. But this is it. This is all we can work with. So now I can soften this a little bit, but because when you put it with your fingers, it's pretty fucking out there. I'm gonna use Ellie on my lips today. It's a metallic, gorgeous pink, and it's just gonna look absolutely gorgeous. So this is Ellie. Best advice I can give you guys is educating yourself about when you get into a relationship. If you understand these mental disorders, these personality disorders, people that are wolves in sheep clothing, right? And they have their own agenda. There's a reason they want to date you. It's not because of love. It's not about because they're attracted to you. It's not because they like you. You have to, I'm not saying to be paranoid about people. What I'm talking about is it's best to educate yourself. When you start understanding, like if I knew what narcissism was back in the day, 6 years ago, I would have not been in this relationship. And when I was in it, I didn't understand why this was happening and the things that were happening. And because then there's a trauma bond that gets created. It's like you get used to the trauma and to the toxicity of this up and down roller coaster relationship. And you think in your mind, oh, that's so romantic, or oh my God, like makeup sex and stuff like that. But it's actually so detrimental to your mental health. It actually affects your physical body. I started getting ill Like I started having major issues with my body. Now that I live peacefully at home and I'm free to do my videos and my sessions and my clients and showcase my makeup, and I get up in the morning, if I do a video here or I do a video there or whenever time I want to do video, and now I'm in control of my life. No one has to, you know, challenge me or make me feel like, you know, you're not nothing, or you're stupid, or your YouTube channel is stupid, all the stuff that this person used to say to me. My mental health and my physical health has completely changed. Now, I bounced back because I taught myself and I researched and I healed myself. And I also realized that from this trauma and from this heartbreak, a new Ellie has emerged. Of course, I'm compassionate, loving, kind, affectionate, empathetic, sympathetic to people, but I'm no longer going to be that person that someone can take advantage of, because sometimes you have to go through horrible things in your lives so then you can become the person that you're meant to be. And now no one can take advantage of me again, because I know my heart is compassionate. As an empath, I feel bad for animals, for people, for the elderly, for, you know, for children, for kids. But it's like I have to create boundaries for myself, and I have to set that line. If anyone wants to step over that line, whomever that person is, friends, family, whatever, I'm going to put them in their place. But if you guys haven't subscribed to my new channel, it's a lot of fun. I've named it Ellie Arket Savage Talk Show. If you guys are interested in my other channel, just type in my name, Ellie Arket. All the channels will come up. If you guys do want to come to me for anything spiritual, for life coaching, spells, healing, reading, anything like that, you can go to elliearket.com. If you guys want to purchase the beautiful makeup, which is vegan, organic, cruelty-free, the makeup, the serum, skincare products, you can go to elliearketshop.com. As of tomorrow, December 20th till December 26th, you guys can type in Christmas sale, XMAS sale, to get $5 off of any of the products that are available. I'm kind of almost sold out, not yet, almost sold out with the skincare products. So when I do sell out, I need to order all new stuff and new products. And I think I'm going to bring it back because I'm so happy with the skincare. Sometimes I don't bring products back because I want to bring new products, but I think I'm going to bring back my skincare products. If you want to look young, if you want to reverse skin damage, sunspots, age spots, wrinkles, if you want to get your face and your body to glow up, use the soap. The first thing when you wash your face or when you take a shower, use the soap. It's going to get rid of pigmentation. It's going to brighten your complexion. It's going to even out your skin tone, and it's going to get rid of any, it's going to promote collagen, which is going to make your skin look young. And yeah, so the skincare products are literally amazing, and I hope that you guys have the opportunity to purchase and enjoy the benefits of it. Everything that I have on my face is going to be in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another coffee morning vlog. See you guys. Bye.